For over 2 centuries, Elizabeth Bennet has been the blueprint for the relatable heroine. With over 10 major adaptations, her story has been reimagined for every generation. But as we look back, we have to ask, does the 2005 film truly capture the woman Jane Austen wrote? Or have we fallen in love with a beautiful imitation? Austen's opening line is the most famous piece of irony in literature. It's a cynical jab at the marriage market, but director Joe Wright traded the biting social commentary for a golden hour sunrise. The book starts with a laugh. The movie starts with a feeling. The real power of the novel is the prose. Austen didn't just write a romance, she wrote a comedy of manners. In the book, Elizabeth isn't just pretty, she's hilarious. Her internal monologue is a weapon, and the humor of the 1800s feels as sharp today as it did on the day it was printed. You don't just read the book, you listen to Elizabeth win every argument. Purists often complain about what movies change, but sometimes a change adds a new layer. Take the hand flex. It's never mentioned in the text, yet it's become the most iconic 5 seconds of the film. It uses visual language to show us Darcy's internal struggle, his desperate longing, and his social anxiety, in a way that words sometimes can't. To fit a 400-page book into 2 hours, things have to go. The 2005 film focuses heavily on Lizzie and Darcy, but it leaves the other Bennet sisters in the shadows. In Austen's world, Mary's struggles and Kitty's influence aren't just background noise, they are part of the loud chaos that makes Elizabeth's journey so difficult. The book is a family portrait, the movie is a duet. So, which is superior? It's a draw. If you want to experience the brilliance of Austen's mind and her savage wit, you have to read the book. But if you want to feel the magnetic, breathless chemistry of a first love, the film is a masterpiece. They are two halves of the same heart. Now, for the ultimate debate, are you Team Firth or Team McFadden? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for day 2 of our literary battle.